ase ebi ye mango dua ase na omutwa kwan be 3 miles nsuo san da kwan no mu omuduru ho a na omo awroro omo ho na omo de atwa nsuo no na omo akosa na odi wie primary to middle school ana okro common entrance ana opase no nya St. Peter's ne papa mso omo niska that very year ana omo bie Donko Krom secondary school ana ni parents say oh ana ko Donko Krom die bisa St. Peter's die ye nya sika anya den enko ana okoyaja wonim se watena nuase saa okwakonya blog dan mu atena okoduru hon so a entabo dan wose afi ne na bamu abu ya tena nuase saa ya ba ha se nso antabo dan ana otena mu the first block Bedna otena mu Apam secondary school courses form o wie ana odi polygon nyankopon adom o pass ye onya scholarship ana okọ US ana okọ sua dia ene o ye professor wose okọ na kurase ho na dan bia nyankopon adom wapeja asi ho amane maame na o ka ababesi point bi so say enye classroom na awoti no na mmom sene wo be determine say wo kwa akosua de obi a wotena duase saa 10 years no sa kokotena ntabudan mu ene wo ye professor enti say ye ko onya akwanya no kotra class kotra se enti say ne ye free education na ye say hwe the reason na ye de ye can say shift near ye to the example
gold ni green
oh yeah particular name oh me kai na ye chiche say ebi nko omuma kwan a na omomu ofie akọ na amanfo ntiase ye over me education mu dia at least ye kan bedim ne meka woko school na mo makwan ebi amakodi 3 months mo makwan mo kotena efie be yese 2 months and 3 months mo kwa over classrooms no ebi kura doso nye enti na ba be dane mponchibu wo be kona mponchi a chese o mo ase ho na nsori bi susu afa bi ho no mu no mo de ye o mo asori ye kan say the whole week ni ne ekakeka ho enti classroom no eda ho kwa there is no very good. Now make a double track. Thank you. So,
double track.
Yes. 83 months na makoko tenafie no. Bibi anko so school mu honum. Ni ebe ko so ane se mponchi kwa koda ho. Anase asori bi ba beji honum a wo de ya asori. Na ye say school na ye manti no, wo wa anya kwan. Chese wo destiny wa wie. Wo nya akwanya nko school bi mu. Wo betena fie. Na every year no, na nkola over 100,000 etena fie a omunya akwanya nko secondary school. Eno ni ye ne o. Wo fa ayi na nkola gu kwa mu na bi twitro ni ade enye se na omu ni adwene no. Be wa anya akwanya na anya den. Anko
na Gobson crab bebre nya aggregate 35 30 40 ni ade omo anya schools. Because that time now I buy expanded facilities now.
That's right.
Then compulsory.
Yeah.
Into school no pan omo foul. Minim crab bre omo nya aggregate 30, 32, 35. Nya de omo nya school.
Yeah, foul.
And omo nyina atifie.
Because omo be school na ye
school buy.
Eti e kro no mu a.
Akra nya aggregate 40 kra obenya school.
Yes.
O de man opportunity.
That time. Yes, e be a fa up to be say 18. We nya 20 kra school we there. Sa school we there. There be 20 yen foul. Baby ho grandpa kwa ukita 18 no grand yen foul. Yes here DC 12. Abru so aye 15. Won't be entra enko. Then di gina enko so. Ene true president Akufo Addo no. Enkola nyina enko school over. Me ho akola bi resource. Hey. Omo ye president no wa anya bi. Ana wo kan ya anam so wo nya asen over. 40 something. I want to say okay, say no mama. Na me call minister. And I'm say akola we. Na ye onya ye no. and shadanye, but when you are Colana Casa, what you must say, Obetima Bon Homoding. Eh? Ofa, Acolano, obey this year.
On Otoaso.
Obey this, a Ganese, or more the nurse a your battery, obey. Now, share the reporter. I mean, fantastic. Fantastic.
Sure.
20 something, no. That's what go ye. Oh, Bomoding. Oh, Bomoding. Eti, Akufo Addo, aye biama Ghana for. Look, who ye Ghana ni na utia. The reason why NCC Woma NPP Efra Kunyano so say eye education. Ye can say ya, obi ohono a onte ase o. Ene office o ya branch o ya babawa. Wo hu sisi wo hu so. After all, oba ko bi entidian. Hu say oba no, oba be wa ma ne nana so abawo. Say ye na se tintimu a obi ani ho oba betwam. Kwame Nkrumah ye northern scholarship ya. O free north na wo call wo mo northern secondary schools ya na free. Wo ye ya etimi tintimu ye no. Obi ani ho oba ye den. Obetwam. But my memory reference say ebra J Akufo free maternal care ana eje emma nkwa no. Aban bia ba oba betwam. Obi aye din.
I'm here because the yeni finance minister so said dollar kosoro tieni, and that was part of the reason why this happened. Dollar kosoro abino ne report no one report no the way our NDC for pay into ayebone muntio again Atufo sat in a chair, made a statement that indicts parliament, and thanks Honorable Ejapa Mesa for pointing that out. And people couldn't even see that. Including the same Okuda Tabrokwa Kakawure Jimmy Fuono, not the committee, so Nitimu Shane, Kwasiakwa, at one Kankwasi, just a Jimmy Samunkwano to obey. You people are trying to say, the finance minister, after getting a letter of approval from parliament, which there is evidence parliament for Monsawum, Sawuka Chram says Sadia near flawed there. Nan the amo parliamentarians Samuko vote to yeah. Emma dear no go through and when year 2017 waka say NPP for daddy. Where yet bra yen na yakura equal numbers. Are you understanding me? It is a more MP4 no debi ameka jam say MP4 we am Jimmy for ya munte. Mekajam current 8th parliament is the most stupid parliamentarian thing we can ever have in the history of Ghana. When we have stupid people who have MPs that say pay us what interest on an allowance, you know there is a problem. When you have MPs who their people has voted for them to bring something better for them, will come and tell you, say, I will stop government business from happening because they have voted against me at the Supreme Court. Hey, are you people crazy? Me say, NDC, John Dramani Mahama, the most stupid, foolish, low-class boka and Kwasiafua party that has ever existed in Ghana and the whole world. And I will never take that shit back. Because they have proven it. San Kwasiadie yo mukoye nwo ho ya medibe komi me chimwa